Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. NYK is one of the best company who visits our campus for recruitment in the early phases of placement. This is the company in which selection process for engine cadet as well as deck cadet is same. Today I am going to talk with Mr. Talha Zia from TS Chanakya who is placed in NYK. Hi Talha, welcome to my channel Amrit Raj Compositions.
Hi Amrit, and thanks for having me on your channel. It's a great opportunity to interact with the community as well as the freshers. Thanks again.
Yeah, how are you feeling at the campus after there after a long lockdown period?
Yeah, it's quite been a stretch in the lockdown and just getting accustomed to things around here in the campus. And the quality is going quite well. We have been provided everything on campus, and continuous monitoring of temperatures and the blood oxygen level have been going on. So far, so good.
As you have been placed in NYK, tell the viewers about this company in brief.
Okay, so coming to the topic now, NYK Shipping Management is a company that has been established in India, parent company being NYK Group, obviously. And it's a Japanese company. It was established long back in the 1800s with just a few wooden vessels, and now it is just a very big, having a large fleet of over 800 vessels. And so far, so good. Yeah, the company is pretty much good, and also has been involved in a major joint venture of the Ocean Network Express along with K Line and Mitsui OSK lines. So yeah, I can say it's a dream for anyone. Yeah, definitely.
When and why did you decide to sit for this company? Why not for other?
Yeah, so when I got into my fifth semester in my final year, this was the first company in which I had the opportunity to sit in for the selection. So I decided to go all in for this company because, as you know, as I talked previously about the company's reputation and the company's work ethic, so this was the go-to company for anyone probably. So yeah, that's the thing.
What is the selection process of NYK? Explain in detail.
Yeah, so it basically starts from the written part. The written exam is of 2 hours time duration and involves a complete 400 marks of 4 sections divided as in mathematics, physics, English, and logical reasoning. Each section of 100 marks each. So the talking about the difficulty level and the type of questions that come in the written exam in the first phase is mathematics and physics is basically everyone does it, and we have been doing it since 11th grade. Everyone does it. So the basic factor that depends on your selection is probably English and logical reasoning. So the type of questions are usually mathematical aptitude in mathematics. Physics involves mostly nautical physics that we are taught in the first year, the first semester, most probably in the second semester as well. And in English, basically comprises of tenses, prepositions, active and passive voice, and the most important one, essay, which is of 50 marks. Yeah. So for the past 2 years, the same topic for essay has been given. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? This was the topic for essay for the past 2 weeks. Talking about logical reasoning, it usually involves spatial reasoning and the basic logical reasoning questions that any selection process can ask. Just the basic logical reasoning. The most important thing in logical reasoning is the practice. If you know how the tricks work and how to get the answers quite fast, then you can have an edge on the exam. Yes.
Okay, can you suggest any way of preparation, like any books or anything?
I do suggest for mathematics and physics, I suggest NCRT and the notes that are given in the first semester. I think that is the most important.
Yeah.
And for English, I'd suggest the app called India Bix,
Yeah.
as well as for logical reasoning as well. the app IndiaBricks has a lot of questions and a lot of topics and a lot of questions on those topics. So it's a vast field in the IndiaBricks just for English and logical reasoning. So I'd suggest IndiaBricks for doing that part. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, interview taken by NYK in one-to-one interview, or it is group interview?
Yeah, so the interview, the second phase. So in the personal interview, it's not more of a personal interview. It's three guys sitting against the interviewer, and he takes the interview. Yeah, so it's three guys sitting together for the interview.
Yeah. What were the questions asked to you in interview?
All right. So the questions asked to me were basically can categorize into two parts: the core, the major part that everyone asks, and the HR part. So in the core part is was basically navigation, safety, that is LSA and FFA equipments and their uses, and a vast subject. It's a vast subject, safety, and collision prevention. I think collision prevention was the most important one that was being asked to me. How to? It's not just about mugging up those rules. It's about their understanding and how to implement them while navigating in order to prevent collision. That is collision prevention. So the understanding of the rule is of more importance rather than just mugging up those rules. Yeah.
How should a cadet prepare for psychometric test? What are the things that should be kept in mind during this test?
The only way to give a psychometric exam is to have a positive mindset and be honest with the questionnaire given to you. It's about 100 to 120 questions asked, and being honest and being positive is the only and the best way of giving the psychometric exam. Because if you try to manipulate those questions into thinking that no, I am a good cadet, I am honest, I have good integrity and all, I don't think that would work out. It doesn't work out that way in psychometrics. So the best and the only way, be positive and be honest.
Okay, is there any practice site for psychometric test? Like I have heard about the psychometrica.in. They provide questions from this site.
Yes, you are correct, Abrit. You are correct. Psychometrica.in provides a lot of questions on psychometric level exams for seafarers. So, yeah, that would be a go-to site for preparing for the psychometric.
Okay, after final result in psychometric interview written and all, after how many days your medical is organized?
So, after giving the psychometric exam, getting passed to the third phase, the medical was organized about a week later of the psychometric exam. So a week later, we just prepared ourselves, just have a good diet and have a good balanced way of life, stay hygienic for the medicals. Yeah.
Yeah. Last but not the least, what would you like to suggest your juniors who are looking NYK as a dream company?
Yeah. So anyone who's looking who's looking for NYK as a dream company knows about NYK. That's why he's dreaming of it. So I'd say just go for it. Like this is the company that takes care of you, and this is the sentence takes care of you that I've heard from a lot of my seniors. So yeah, they always say the company will take care of you. The company takes care of you. Yeah. So I'd say just go for it. Go all in for this company, and if you get it, by God's grace, then that's the best thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Talhajia, for your precious time for the viewers of this channel. Thank you very much. Any last word or any last remarks to the viewers of this channel?
I'd say like, share, and subscribe on Amrit's channel. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you for your precious time and recommending this channel. This will really help all the juniors who are coming, who are going to sit in the different companies. It will help them a lot. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. It was a great opportunity being on your channel. Yeah, Amrit, thanks.